Hello, Divya.
Hi.
So, Divya, marriage is a very important event in everyone's life. But what made you take this, decision? I did say a very unconventional marriage.
Yeah. So as I have taken the name initiation from Sant Rampalji Maharaj, so I have done this dowry-free marriage, technically known as Ramani, under the leadership of Sant Rampalji Maharaj, because he has given this preaching to everyone that one should adopt a simple life and one should live with simplicity. And so I have taken this call because I actually genuinely wanted to have a simple marriage life. So yes.
You took the initiation from Sant Rampalji Maharaj. How long it has been, and how is the journey so far?
So it's been, I can say, 2.5 years, and the journey is amazing. I can say I have learned a lot during the tenure of this 2.5 years, because earlier I was literally unaware about the worship. Many people are doing worship, but it's highly important to do the worship as per our holy scripture. So this is the first thing which I got to know. Secondly, I got to know that one should adopt a simple life and one should adopt a high thinking. So, by listening to the spiritual discourses as delivered by Sant Rampalji Maharaj, I have changed a lot as a person, because earlier I was also into that world, in which everyone is doing this and that, and because here, what is the main thing? The main thing is the rules. The rules one should follow, like quitting the non-veg is the first thing, and then I can say quitting alcohol, tobacco, which is the essence of which is necessary for the today's youth, I can say, which is the important thing for today's youth. And then the one of the greatest social evils which is ever prevailing in the society is dowry. Dowry is something which is literally a evil, at least I can say, for the females and the family of a girl child. So right from the time when a girl child is born, we have seen in India that female foeticide is taking place. It is high time to stop this kind of thing. So by adopting dowry-free marriage, this is the message which is being delivered to the whole world. I can say that women won't be burdened. The family of the girls won't be burdened for this. And I can say every person, whether it is men or women, should take a call to do dowry-free marriage. And Guruji Sant Rampalji Maharaj is doing this. So it is his mission to spread this thing to the whole India, dowry-free marriage.
Great thoughts. But has your partner been supportive of this cause?
Yeah, definitely. He is supportive, and that is why I am getting married to him. And he is also following all the things as Sant Rampalji Maharaj is given to the society. And I can say, at least for the female, every female is wishing for someone who is actually not consuming tobacco, alcohol, and who is free from all these things. And the disciples of Sant Rampalji Maharaj has taken a pledge that they won't touch they won't even consume, they won't even touch this alcohol, tobacco. So this is one of the greatest thing. This is one of the greatest asset, I can say, for the society.
Any message you would like to give to the society today?
So I can say for today's youth, it is high time to take a stand and do dowry-free marriage and eradicate all those things which is prevalent in the society, like DJ and unnecessary spending of the money, taking the jewelry, just roaming in the cars and all. It is high time for the society to adopt to a simple living and adopt to high thinking.
Thank you, Divya. It was great speaking with you.
Yeah, thank you.